I am talking with all seriousness. What we see as we learn in the perception of reality. In the introduction to the Book of Zohar, it's spoken about this quite a lot. In the Book of Zohar, there's plenty about this. What we see is what we imagine to ourselves inside of our egos. To the extent in which we begin to rise above the ego, this world begins to gradually lose its materialism. And then we don't feel it. It more and more takes on the form of a world of desires and thoughts, forces, qualities, but not matter of still vegetative animal in speaking. This all dissipates. That's why this is called the imaginary world. Please.
Hello, Av. My name is Dana. I'm from the Point in the Heart group in Petach Tikva. I've been studying for 3 years, and I see that this place and the wonderful people here in the world clay is growing. But the more it grows, the more I realize there's a lot more evil, more wars, more mess, more hatred. But if we're growing and disseminating, why isn't it winding down?
The more you discover the world more, you're discovering yourself. And in accordance to the way you discover yourself, you see how much more you have to correct. The world is what's inside of you, within you, and not on the outside. We are not world correctors that need to correct something outside of us. If we were to correct ourselves, we would see the world, the world of good. The good world. This is what we need to learn. That's on one hand. On the other hand, in a simple corporeal way, of course, the world from day to day is becoming worse. Certainly, it will be even worse than it is. In that trend, it will appear worse and worse. What can we do about that? That's why we're here, and we're learning how to bring forth the correction of the world. That's it. Enter, join, and you'll get the method. Please.